Hey guys, my name's Sam with KC Lawns. Today we have a Stihl FS-38. I'm aware there's already trimmer string inside of this, but we're actually going to be upgrading it to this bad boy right here. I call it the Stihl lime green string. Best, I'll link it in the description below. So first thing, what we're going to do here is you're going to take off this counterclockwise. I don't know why I need to explain this, but counterclockwise is to the left.
Lefty loosey.
Yeah, okay.
Lefty loosey, righty goosey.
And then once you get that off, is that you're going to put it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. And then you pop this out by, sometimes it's locked in there, and so you need to twist it, and then it'll come out. Be sure not to lose this spring. So once you have some string, this is some Husqvarna string. I will link it in the description below. It's about 0.09, okay? Anything more than that, it's not going to work. So we're gonna get about, you're gonna get about 10 feet. I measure it by the length of my arms, and you're gonna snip it. Or if you have this little bad boy, which is like 60 cents, so you can keep it on your keychain, and you take it, you bend this over like so, and then you pop. That cuts it in half, so that then you can find the half. Take these right here, you send it boom, 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 swing it over here, and then you're going to take this again and snip it. Boom. Now you have two equal lengths of string, and so you take one of them, and you're going to put it inside this little notch. You take it and you slip that in like so. And then you're going to take the other one, once you make sure that they are in there. Okay, so once you got those two in there, you're going to now twist it. You're going to pull it back the opposite way, and then you're going to twist. Now I'm making it look easy. I'm aware. I do this regularly. I do this so much that I dream about it.
Nightmares?
Nightmares. Yes. Only whenever I let go. Be sure not to let go. I have like 6, 7, 8 points of contact with this. I mean, I have a finger right there. I got a thumb right there. I'm making feet planted.
Shoulder width apart.
Shoulder width apart. Shoulder width apart.
Another thing, you want to keep your shoulder width apart as well.
Yes. Keep your shoulder width apart. Once you get it to where there's about, 8 inches of trimmer length, you're gonna push it out, pop it out right there. And then on the other one, you're gonna do the same. And you're gonna pop both of those through. Looks like we didn't quite get it the same length. It doesn't matter at this point. We made it. This is a moment of solace. I understand how many times that you had to rewind this. I just wanna tell you that you did great. So you're going to take this string, and then you're going to send one of them through here. You're going to be sending it in and out. And then on this other one, is that you're going to do the same. Holding it still so it pops out.
Holding it still.
So then once you get it in there, inch it on down, making sure that it's not popping out of the deal. And you're going to take it, and then you're going to pull it down into it, I think. Yes. And once you get it down there, you have made it to level 15. Push down all of that, okay. Lift this bad boy up. You're gonna take this here, your rod, and then send it through the hole to the other side yonder. And we're gonna keep everything together. Then once you get your knob here, take that knob, you twist it on, twist it. And this is clockwise. Righty-tighty.
Loosey-goosey.
Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then we're gonna pull this string to make sure that it's tight. All right, folks, so that's how you replace the string on a Stihl FS-38 or any Stihl with a twist-off cap there. If you found this video useful, helpful, be sure to like it so that other people can find it. If you have any questions, then put them in the comments below and I will address them personally. And lastly, thanks for watching.